The judgment creditor in this case involving my company and the Zamfara State government under Governor Abdullaziz Abubakar. On the resumption as governor in 2011, I think some 7 months after I executed the contract for the government through Zamfara State Minister of Environment, Zeza. Now when I executed the contract, to supply with dustbin 350 litres imported, to the state, so that at least they will be able to take care of the environmental sanitation. Upon completion of this job, I was invited to the Ministry of Finance when my voucher was prepared. Upon getting there, that was when I was two of his friends. One is late now. His name is Lawale Bala. I think that was the deputy chairman of ANPP then, before they became APC. So it was one that took me there with one Sonny Governor. We went to the government house, and the governor told me bluntly that yes, I will sign voucher of 32 million, but he's going to take 16. That was the crux of the whole matter. So I told him, I said, it's not possible. He now said, okay, gentlemen, what we'll do is this. Can I go and return those original, bring in, ordinary one? I said no, except the Financial and General Purpose Committee change the status of that contract to ordinary with the dustbin. I will not withdraw those ones. Even I have my certificate of completion, I have the store receipt, I have the store control receipt, and everything from the government. So that was how the whole problem became an issue. Then I discussed with some Zamfara State indigenes who advised me to go to ISBA. I went to ISBA Commission. They invited the Commissioner for Finance. Then that one has resigned now. He said he's not going to pay. I went to Sharia court. They told him, Oga, as far as Sharia law is concerned, you don't owe a man that has worked. Don't even allow his sweat to even dry before you pay the man. He refused. Then I have no option to now approach a conventional court. So I went to Zamfara State High Court. That was in 2012, because in 2011 to around July 2012, we were dragging this in here and there, thinking at least the man will fulfill his promise, but no. So we were in court. They came, the Attorney General was involved, Director of Litigation were involved. They come to court, to come and lay some frivolous claim, plea that even they want us to, we should write demand notice to them, but in January 2016, that was when I got the judgment. But before then, I need to tell Nigerians that my personal integrity was even insulted by the governor. He was not supposed to call me that kind of name. In my presence, he said, "You this berebe." I was ordered. He even ordered the government to throw me out of the government house over my money then, because he said he has immunity and that nothing can happen to him as far as he remains a governor. That nothing can happen to him. He has immunity. I said, "No, you don't have immunity against." If I go to court, I'll get my money from you. It is about a contractual agreement. It's not between me and you personally, but you are just the governor of Zamfara State. Another person will come. But he just said he has that immunity and nothing will happen to him. As far as this Nigeria is concerned, that nothing will happen to him. But I thank God today. I am, a victim of injustice, but the court has been able to vindicate me. Today, we have come here, and I'm shocked. He couldn't even do anything against the law. The law, he said, cannot do anything to him. That law is above him today, and that's why we are carrying out the attachment of the order of FCTI court. we obtained the judgment in August 2017. But here we are, October. We are carrying out the attachment.